Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Video I'm going to show you one of the smartest way to save hours of manual work. We're going to take data directly from an Excel table and update the same into a SharePoint list automatically using Power Automate. No more entering items one by one, just one flow and everything updates in a blink. I won't ask you to watch till the end. Skip whenever you want. If 1 minute helps you at work, this video has done its job. If you're working with SharePoint list, you already know the pain. Entering dozens or hundreds of items manually is slow, repetitive and error prone. But with Power Automate, you can upload the entire Excel table into a SharePoint just in one click. SharePoint list already created, an Excel file stored in OneDrive or a SharePoint. That Excel file must have a proper table defined, not just raw data. Go to Power Automate, click Create and choose Instant Cloud Flow. Select Manually Triggered Flow. This gives you control when you want to run it. Next, add action. List row present in table. Choose your Excel file, select table name and Power Automate will fetch all rows automatically. Next, add and apply to each action. Inside the loop, we will take each row and publish it into SharePoint. The action to create item. Map each column from your Excel file to the corresponding columns in SharePoint list. For an example, Excel, there is a column called name, so you will map it against the SharePoint name. In Excel, you have a column called date. You map the same column with a SharePoint column called date. Likewise, you map all the columns for your case. Once the mapping is done, save the flow, click the Run button. Power Automate will instantly read all rows from Excel. And that's it. In just few seconds, your entire Excel gets uploaded into SharePoint without a single manual entry. You save time, avoid mistakes and make your flow super efficient. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Power Automate and tech related tutorial. Let me know in the comments what automation you want next.